Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have some big news regarding Spider-Man No Way Home trailer. Today we will discuss more leaks and some prominent evidences that support the idea of multiverse in Spider-Man No Way Home. All of these news are reported by big websites like CBR and Screen Rant. Before I hop into the video, if you wanna subscribe to my channel yet and you're a Marvel fan, be sure to subscribe because that's what we talk about here. So lately we have received some leaks and inside reports from different insiders and other confirmations that promote the idea of multiverse that is going to happen in the movie. We already know that Marvel Phase 4 and Phase 5 are highly dependent on multiverse. Spider-Man No Way Home will have multiverse, Loki TV show will have multiverse, Thor movie will have multiverse, and Doctor Strange movie will have multiverse. So multiverse is the next big thing in Marvel's Phase 4 and Phase 5, and we will be seeing it in probably every movie. So as we know, Spider-Man No Way Home will be releasing on December 17, 2021. It is almost 6 to 7 months away from us, and Marvel Studios has a history of dropping trailers almost 5 to 6 earlier before the movie. So we might be getting the first trailer or first look of the movie in June or July. Originally, Sony teased that they will drop the first look of the movie in December. That didn't happen due to some reasons, but now in June or July, Sony will have enough footage to release a proper trailer. And also they had 6 to 7 months to apply CGI on the footage. There are a few reasons that Marvel Studios might be dropping the trailer earlier than they usually do. As this is going to be a huge project from Marvel Studios, we are going to see multiverse happening. This is something what fans demanded from the day one from Marvel Studios started. They will prepare the fans for this huge project as Spider-Man is one of the classic superheroes and Spider-Verse will surely attract fans towards the box office. We might be witnessing the first look or teaser trailer for the movie in June or July, and later we might see the sneak peek at the characters of the movie. This movie is eventually featuring a whole bunch of stars including Alfred Molina, Jamie Foxx, Norman Osborn, Benedict Cumberbatch and Tom Holland himself. And there's a whole another list of characters appearing from another Spider-Man movies. As we know, Marvel Studios recently dropped Shang-Chi's trailer, and the trailer was released on birthday of Simu Liu, who is star of the movie. Similarly, there's a chance of Marvel Studios dropping the trailer on Tom Holland's birthday of Spider-Man No Way Home. Tom Holland's birthday is on 1st June and we might see trailer of Spider-Man No Way Home on that day. And even if Marvel Studios releases the trailer, there will be no footage regarding Spider-Verse or multiverse in the movie. Sony and Marvel both are trying to keep multiverse secret in Spider-Man No Way Home and they won't be releasing it in trailers. They probably want to surprise the fans directly in theaters. But still there are two possibilities here. It depends on how much multiverse is in the movie. If Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield have a small cameo in the movie, they might not show them in trailers. But if they have impact on the story and they are part of the movie, Sony will try to promote the movie by Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield. So the possibility of us seeing multiverse in the trailer totally depends on the appearance of Andrew Garfield and Tobey Maguire. Recently, a fan posted a picture on social media that he spotted Tobey Maguire in Santa Monica. That is also his hometown and he was with his 14-year-old daughter. As we know, currently Spider-Man No Way Home is in shooting process and Tobey Maguire is in his hometown. So that kind of reduces his chances of appearing in Spider-Man No Way Home. But the thing is, if he had a cameo, he probably has already filmed it. One more thing that confirms the Spider-Verse even more is the return of Mary Jane from Sam Raimi's universe. As we saw on the IMDb listings of Spider-Man No Way Home that the personal costume designer of Miss Christine Dust, who played Mary Jane in Sam Raimi's Spider-Man, is included in IMDb's rating. Also, we spotted Sally Field, who played Aunt May in Amazing Spider-Man, on the set of Spider-Man No Way Home. We saw a lady with long coat, goggles and a mask. We couldn't figure out who was the actor, but according to the reports, she was really Sally Field. So hopes are up. We will see multiverse in the movie probably. So that is it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Till then, be happy.